Hey guys, welcome back. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. My name is Adri. So as you can see in the title, I'm going to be using the new Jackie Aina palette in collaboration with Anastasia Beverly Hills. I've been using it for a week now. It's a gorgeous palette, as you can see. The colors are really pretty and I've been loving it. So I'm going to go ahead and try to come up with a look that I haven't done yet. Something a little bit more on the colorful side because I know that's what you guys enjoy watching. But that's about it. I'm gonna go ahead and start with the look and then I will give you my final thoughts at the end of the video.
You stole my heart of gold after my silver soul. Can you dig any deeper now? I gave you all I own, put you on this golden throne, but I'm a little stronger now. You cashed in on my promises, you know I'm too generous. Now I've learned to never help you out, 'cause I'm done cleaning up your mess. Found myself in my regrets. I've become a little stronger now, a little stronger now. You cashed in on my promises, you know I'm too generous. Now I've learned to never help you out, 'cause I'm done cleaning up your mess. Found myself in my regrets. I've become a little stronger now, a little stronger now, a little stronger now, a little stronger now, a little stronger now. You cashed in on my promises, you know I'm too generous. Now I've learned to never help you out, 'cause I'm done cleaning up your mess. Found myself in my regrets. I've become a little stronger now, a little stronger now.
So as you can see, I just finished the eyes and I magically have a full face of makeup. And if you missed my last video, I was testing some products that I had bought from Shop Miss A that I had been trying for the first time. If you don't know what Shop Miss A is, it's a website where they sell $1 makeup. So if you missed that one, make sure to check it out. I will be linking it at the end of this video. For the eyes, I told you that I would come back and tell you my final thoughts on this palette. So if you don't know, I've been playing with this palette for about a week now. I've used every single color in this palette and I have to say I really have been loving it for everyday and for creative looks like this. The mattes always kill it. I love the pigmentation and the way they blend. So overall I really like this palette, so make sure to get your hands on it. It's so good. It's like super pretty, dude. Really not much to say other than that. If I missed anything, let me know. If you have any questions on this palette, also just leave a comment down below. Also, I do looks over on my Instagram, so if you want to go follow me on Instagram, this is the name right here. But other than that, I hope you guys have a great day. I will see you in the next one.